So if you want to use the Block Blast glitch, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Block Blast at first. After opening the app, go into the classic mode. Make sure that you start with a full-line block that's placed horizontally, like this one. If you don't get it, just restart the game until you do. Now place the blocks until you get a perfect one. Move all the blocks around it. Keep playing until you form a 3x3. Clear out all the rows until you get another 3x3 block. That's done. Place it where you'll get the perfect blast. Just go with the strategy. Once you line everything up, the glitch will activate, and from there you can keep repeating the process endlessly. Just keep going and the combos will keep racking up those points. It's a simple and effective way to boost your score. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.